Hello guys, we are back. Hopefully there won't be any technical difficulties this time. So we just recorded doing the albums and album screen, and now let's do the camera screen. Made some coffee. I'm ready to rock and roll. And I implemented a similar screen in the Fiber UI kit, so probably I'm gonna look how we did it in Fiber to might be helpful, I think. So we use the camera component from Expo, but let's just get started. And I think if we go to the album screen, there should be the camera action, which here is set to non-implemented. Can do go to camera. Maybe I'm gonna put the sound a bit down. Let me know if you like the music playing in the background or it's more annoying than anything else. Just let me know what you think. Oops. Okay, now we need to register the camera screen and implement it. So I'm gonna go to the navigators and I'm gonna add it here. So as you know, we use React Native navigation. I saw that version 1.0 was released. I didn't upgrade to 1.0 yet, but I should. Hopefully it will take some time to do this soon. So now I can import camera here. Oops. And yeah, you know what? Let's just look how it's done in Fiber, and I have the Fiber repository here. Let's see how we did it. I think it's in share. Okay, so I have a component, enable permissions. Okay. All right, so first I'm gonna need to import camera and permissions from Expo. It looks like I'm definitely gonna need MobX, which I can import as well. Okay. So when mounting the component, we seem to ask for, should I just copy and paste everything? No. Let's not go crazy. Okay. Okay, so ref to the camera, that makes sense. I should rename this. loading. Why do I have a loading state? Maybe I don't need this one. Toggle. When is loading true? Okay, when snapping a picture, this we're not gonna need. Okay, I'm gonna add some. So as camera permission, we definitely need as a state. And it's null or boolean. So it's null if we don't know, and then true or false if we have camera permission or not. And we start with null. Think. Let's see. Observer. Okay. So we ask for permission. That's great. And as camera. So but we're gonna need to wrap this into an action, but okay. Type and flash mode, that makes sense also. Oops. So I'm gonna need to add two new observable. So what's the type of camera type? Number, okay. Camera manager type. Okay. And okay, same for flash mode. Okay. And we need to wrap this into an action. Let me check. Okay. So we need to create an action, set camera permission response. I cannot really import. And status, okay, that's maybe I can just copy this one. I need to import action. Okay. So now I guess the first thing I need to do in the component is to get the current camera permission. right? I guess that's what we did. We ask camera permission. If it's null, we show a loading indicator because we don't know yet. If not, if we don't have it, we show the component that where we tell you to enable the camera permission. And I think on the way this component works is that on iOS you get a nice link that goes directly to the camera permission for the app. And yes, and then finally, if we have permission, we display the actual camera. Actually, I really like it. I'm gonna copy this. Oops. So this one we get from this because we use MobX here. Okay, oops. And this one we're gonna build our own thing. I guess the one I can leave is a camera component. Okay, and camera. Okay. So let's see. Okay, here this one is unnecessary. Where do we use the Android? Okay, so this one we don't need. So we need the loading indicator. I guess I'm gonna let's do something very simple for now and just using activity indicator. And we center it. Okay. This one we import from React Native. Oops. Okay, we need this component, which I'm really gonna copy from Fiber. So export. Oops. Default as. So okay, we're gonna need MobX as well. So let me just okay. So MobX. So we have can open, which is boolean or null, so same principle. If we don't know yet, it's null, and if we know, it's either true or false. And it's null. right. Okay. Oops, sorry. Just copying and pasting. So same if we don't know, so same than what we just did. If we don't know the status yet, we just display a loading screen, which I'm gonna use this one. Okay, we need to import view activity indicator, linking as well, int auto bind. Okay. Okay, good warning. This one we don't need. Okay. I really need to learn how to do this more efficiently. I mean, it's pretty shameful that I don't know the shortcut to do this. Okay, so we need the loading style. So the text style, I'm not sure. So let me I need to import text and button. Okay. Container. That makes sense. Okay. Text title, I'm not sure. Let me check. Maybe in style guide. Okay, so maybe title 1. That how? Yes. So this one seems okay. And I need to change the type signature of on press from void to mixed. Okay. What else? What else? Looks pretty good. That's a good point. Oh. Okay. I need to import this one. So I'm gonna rename camera type to type. Okay. Let's see. Let's have a look. Okay. Okay, so we get a black screen. That's not really helpful. Maybe I need to plug a real device, huh? So let's see. Let me just plug my iPhone. Open Expo. So, I mean, actually, it seems like we could go on, right? Like, we can add some buttons. I mean, I don't need to get the real camera output for now. I can just go on. Right, so we need 2 rows, one for the top, one for the bottom. Actually, it needs to be 2 safe area views. Okay. And in camera, we're gonna do justify content space between. Perfect. Okay, this one I'm gonna remove for now. Okay. So this one will be the footer. And so we will have a header and a footer. Okay. Let me check how I do this little. I think I implemented a similar screen in story. So I'm using icon button. Okay. Okay. Sounds good. Oops. So here I'm gonna use 2 buttons, the grid one and the one for the flash. Unfortunately, the one for settings, or maybe like luminosity, or I'm not sure. I need to check the camera API, what we can do, what's available. Okay, so there are some, like, we could have like some more complex settings. Okay, let me check the icons available. So we need one, the grid one, perfect. So the first one is gonna be grid. So let me show grid. The other one is gonna be flash. So it's gonna be zap or zap off, but I'm not sure if Expo is up to date with this latest version of the library with 4.50. So the zap off icon is quite recent, so it might not be available. But yeah, let's see. Okay. So if flash mode equals okay. Okay. So on press toggle flash. We need to import icon button. Oops. Okay, toggle flash. I guess I implemented it already. And oops. And for show grid, we don't do anything yet. And I need to add the auto bind decorator. So for the header, flex direction is raw. Justify content, space between, and I guess we can add some margin. No, one second. No, so that doesn't work. I need to wrap this into a view. I'm gonna do this both times. For the footer, we use space around just based on how the alignments of icons looks like. So we have a close button, rotate, and a camera snap button. So for the snap, we're gonna build let's see, a custom component. So here, name, on press we go back, and the other one is rotate. I guess this one will do. So we're gonna use this method, toggle camera. Okay. Twin port auto bind. Okay. And let's do the go back also function. So it's a simple this props navigation go back. And yeah, we're gonna need to implement the snap button. Styles. So let's see how big it is. So 64, okay. No, what? Yeah, okay. Height 64. Border radius 32. Border width 3, I guess. 4, okay. Border color white. And then, I mean, actually, the whole thing is a touchable opacity. Which I need to import from React Native here. I'm gonna implement the not implemented yet. If you press the snap button, we need to import also icon. So for the inner snap button, I need to use the primary color, but for now I'm just gonna use actually, can I just, I'm just gonna, yeah, let's just gonna use pink just for now, and I will change it. What's the size? 52, perfect. So 25.5, and so probably here justify content center and align item center to align the inner snap button in the snap button. Okay, so we did a lot of coding without like actually checking how it looks like, so maybe it's time to. Okay, MobX action is not expected to be used. Getters, go back is not defined. Okay. MobX action. Where is this error coming from? This one should be also wrap into an action. Maybe I can use run in action. Okay. Oh, is it because I'm wrapping auto bind after? But I think that might be why I'm getting 0. Yep. Okay. So. Okay, zap off doesn't exist. I think if I go, there were another one which looked pretty cool actually. Flash, did I do flash? So slash. I could use this one for now. Slash. I mean, hopefully this one is available. Okay, not too bad. Cool. I mean, you might not think it looks cool yet, but I think we're pretty close, right? Okay, so what do we have here? We need to center the camera inside. Let me enable hot reloading unavailable. So maybe I need to disable the live reload and enable. Okay. Hopefully, maybe we can do the changes a bit faster. Boom. Okay, so this one looks good. I just need to inject the proper color theme. And so we need to align items vertically. So align, and we're gonna add some padding on both the header and the footer. And that's why actually I added a view within the safe area view, so we can add such padding. We need to import style guide. Okay. Okay, the hot reloading doesn't seem to works very good and not bad, huh? Let's okay, let's inject the primary color here. So I'm gonna do theme. One sec. Trying to think what's the best way to do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna simply inject the theme, so theme, palette, primary, which we're gonna inject from the props. Okay, and we need to inject the theme. So I need with theme, and we're gonna use it here. No? Oops, sorry, it's camera screen. Okay. So I'm gonna disable auto reloading, doesn't seem to be working very well. Okay. Pretty good, I think. So let's yeah, maybe let's try on the real device. 1 second, let me get a cable. So I can shut down the emulator, start quick player. Perfect. Okay. All right, rotation. Hey guys, so okay, it works. Cool. Flash. I guess this one we have to actually take the picture. So this one is not implemented yet. And closing works. And snap button. Okay. I guess let's just implement the grid. Okay. We're just gonna put this aside for now. So we're gonna draw a screen in the camera component, and yeah. So we're gonna create observable, show grid, which defaults to false, and so we're gonna use toggle grid. Okay. So I'm trying to think how the grid should look like. So I guess it's gonna have, let me think. I guess it will have 3 rows. Let's see, I'm just experimenting. Okay, so we're gonna use the dimensions of the screen. I'm not sure which border color to use. Let me look the style guide if there's some sort of dark gray available from the palette dark gray. That looks good. So style guide, palette, dark gray, and the width, I guess it will be width minus style guide spacing smalls times 2, and I need here to, so just end align items center. Let's see. Okay, oops, sorry. Duplicate. Okay. And I need to, so since I did align item center, I need to add, I think, flex 1 here and flex 1. I think that would fix it. Why is my phone, does my phone think it's 9:31? I don't know, okay. This is strange. It's 6:15 in Zurich. Yeah, you see the time is different from the laptop and the phone. Anyways, no, so that didn't work. Or should I use FlexGrow? Probably. No, okay. So and the height, I mean, I broke something. What did I break? Yeah, this one, okay. And now I need to set some height, and the height would be actually, we're gonna do squares, I guess, so it will be the width divided by, no, I guess if we do a square, that's like the same. And okay, let's maybe try to finish it quickly. So then we have a row and a cell. So the height of the row is the height of the square divided by 3, and border bottom width is 1. Cell, the width is the same as the height of the row, and its border right. Is this? Yes. Okay, let's have a look. Sorry. It's missing the border right width. Is that how it works? Or do I need to set, I need to set some height? And the height is the same, I guess. Let's see. Close. Why? What am I missing? Why am I? I need to set the flex direction to a row. Let's see. Okay. Looks good. Perfect. All right. So I guess that's pretty much it for the camera screen. I hope you guys enjoy these live coding sessions, and I'm looking forward to talk to you soon. So have a great evening. Bye. Or have a great day. I don't know. Talk to you soon. Bye.